Hello everyone, my name is Win. Today I will introduce to you about my presentation topic, water resource from wastewater treatment plants. As we all know that the conventional wastewater treatment plants is more focused on pollution reduction, and then after the treatment is just directly discharge the treated water to the environment or the surface water bodies. But if we put it in the circular economy context, the wastewater treatment plants can be upgraded to be a more efficient and beneficial system, and it will be a potential resources for the nutrients, energy, and the water also. So firstly, I will mention to you about the bottlenecks of the conventional wastewater treatment plants. First one is it has a low resource recovery, and then it demands a high energy, which leads to the high cost operation and then cause the large environmental footprints. That's the reason why we need to develop the advanced wastewater treatment methods. Because first of all, it improves this plant's sustainability performance. Reclaiming and reusing the water could be a more sustainable option than long-distance freshwater transfers. Furthermore, the main driver for the reclamation and reuse of wastewater is the water scarcity caused by the uneven global water distribution and the climate change related to water stress. Secondary wastewater treatment plants, wastewater treatment processes do not fully remove biological oxygen demand and only eliminate 95% of total suspended solids from effluents. And to meet the strict legal standards for the micropollutants concentrations in reclaimed water, the effluent from secondary wastewater treatment processes needs to be further processed on the advanced treatment lines, which is why we need to develop the advanced wastewater treatment methods. Hereby, I gave you an overview about the reuse of the reclaimed water from the wastewater treatment plants. The first blue straight arrow shows the conventional water usage and treatments. The next arrow, dash orange one, presents the fit-for-purpose treatment and usage of the reclaimed water. And here you can see a lot of them, like environmental restoration, groundwater recharge, agriculture reuse, commercial reuse. And in this presentation, I will give you the five main reusage of the water treated from the wastewater treatment plants. First, agricultural irrigations. The nutrients in wastewater can reduce fertilization applications. That means there are already some nutrients in the wastewater, and during the process it can be extracted during the treatment process for the agriculture applications instead of using the fertilizers. And then effluent from the secondary treatment can be used for irrigating non-food crop. Effluents from the tertiary treatment can be used for the food crop. In the United States, California has used 48% of total volume for the reclaimed water for the agriculture purpose. The next one is for the industrial reuse. Around 50% of water withdrawal in the United States was reused in the thermal power, and there are others industrial applications. The water can be reused like in petroleum refineries, chemical manufacturers. It would have to reduce the cost and improve sustainability due to the water shortage and increased population. The third strategies for the water reuse is in urban reuse, such as the golf course, landscape, car washing, fire protection, toilet flushing, dust control, concrete production. And in the United States, Florida is an example, has been used 44% of the reclaimed water for the landscape irrigations. Next is indirect potable reuse. It was innovative strategies for water reuse in the purpose of groundwater recharge. It will help to reduce the land subsidence and seawater intrusion in coastal areas, or help to provide water storage, and even eliminates the need for the surface storage facilities and problems related to uncovered surface reservoirs, such as evaporation, losses, or the creation of odors. Florida and California are two outstanding examples, used 16% or 15% of reclaimed water for the groundwater recharge. The last innovative strategies for water reuse is the direct potable reuse. The treated water directly introduced into a water distribution system without intervening the storage, using the reclaimed water to improve or increase the potable supply can improve the overall water supply reliability in coastal or drought areas. Since 1968, in Namibia, the planned potable recycling has already started. That means it shows the potential of the direct potable reuse purpose of the reclaimed water. And here is my ideal imagination about an existing wastewater treatment plant in Vietnam. It's called INSA. INSA is the municipal wastewater treatment plant in the capital, Hanoi. It provides the service for a densely populated city and located in a suburb areas surrounded by like rice crops fields, and with a proper advanced wastewater treatment technologies, the reclaimed water can be reused for agriculture, irrigation for the locals over there, because the economy in Vietnam mainly depends on agriculture sector. So if we can reuse the water from the wastewater treatment plant, it will be like a new resource for the city as well as the locals living there. And also the reclaimed water can be used for urban purpose, such as toilet flush, car washing, fire protection, dust control, and then finally the sustainability of the city or even just the region there will be improved due to water shortage and increased population of the area. And that's the end of my presentation. Thank you for listening.